Hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Thank you also very much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up as well. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to remove grid lines and add grid lines in Excel sheet. For that, you'll need to go to the View tab and then uncheck the grid lines. Now you can notice that the grid lines from the sheet have disappeared. And in order for you to add the grid lines back again, you'll just need to go ahead and check mark the grid lines, and you can see that the grid lines have reappeared. If you want to remove the formula bar, you can repeat the same process as grid lines by unchecking the formula bar. You can notice that the formula bar have disappeared, and if you check it back again, the formula bar reappears. For the headings A, B, C, D, and so on for the columns and row numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on for the rows, in order for you to remove those headings, you'll need to uncheck. You can notice that the headings have disappeared, and if you check back again, the headings have reappeared again. So this is how you can add and remove grid lines, formula bar, and headings. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.